We have a Mini Cooper engine to do, so wish me luck. We're gonna knock out a waiter before we get on that engine. Once we're done with this, we will be back on the engine. Let's see if I could do it without getting oil on my hands. Ah, failed. $8.08. Tells you the oil right here. W20, 5.3.
5:34 a.m. I was about to start my day, but she laying there across me.
It's still raining, but just got done with that car. Now we're gonna get on to the Mini Cooper. So turns out we have a lot of guys out today. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna get my socks wet. My lead tech says he needs me, so he's taking me off the engine for today, and I'm gonna do what comes in. But right now we got brake pads. No way. I did that on the first try.
I stayed anyway. Arms tight, legs numb, wrapped.
You know what you're doing in there?
Yes, I do.
Have fun.
Thank you.
Are you doing pads and rotors all the way around?
No, just rear pads. The rotors are okay.
Just rear pads?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Sweetest of sunflowers, how you're the sun to me.
Okay, on to the next
I don't recall what you were wearing on the first night we met, besides a subtle cloud around you from my last cigarette. And you come from a good place with a happy family. The only bad you've ever done was to see the good in me. And I've been living, waiting on the day that the good Lord willing sends you out my way. I've seen hard times, bad luck, all that in between. Sweetest of the sunflowers, how you're the sun to me. And I remember being younger and my mother told me true. Find someone who grows flowers in the darkest parts of you. Take heed when things get hard and don't you ever turn around, 'cause you'll find someone someday somewhere that grows you to the cloud. And you walked me home that evening when I could barely walk, and you spoke to me so sweetly on the days I couldn't talk. And now I'm seeing clearly and I'm growing up so free. Sweetest of the sunflowers, how you're the sun to me.
Done with that tire, and now we are on to our next car, which is a waiter oil change. One thing that I love about my job is I love wearing boys pants because of all these dang pockets. Got my sports clothes in here. We got this pocket, we got this pocket, we got this pocket, and then we got huge pockets on the side. And then can't forget these pockets. I'm living in heaven. I seriously have not done spark plugs in like forever. Like, I don't remember the last time I've done spark plugs, to be honest. Now we gotta do the mic filter. I really like doing Audi mic filters because they're so easy, but I hate BMW because why do you have to put a bolt in every freaking cover? Watch, I'll show you. My favorite tool for this job. Love this. My snap-on. I hate this bolt here, and then I also hate these little things, I mean the little mounting points, because this corner, it's always hard to get on there. Oh gosh, I'm so dirty. Ew. That was a pollen filter. We recommended front brakes because it did need it, but the advisor's taking forever, or the customer, I don't know whose fault is it. So I might just go to lunch. I might just go to lunch. Not quite sure. I'm gonna dump this out first. I ended up taking lunch. I just got some McDonald's because I didn't want to drive far. But I'm just gonna watch some Gilmore Girls. and relax for a bit. But yeah, I'm literally obsessed. I'm watching it on my phone right now. But I'm on season 4, episode 14. And I legit started this like 2 months ago. Okay, so brake pads are still not approved, so we're moving on to the next car. I got an update and a check engine light. So I'm gonna get this one updating, and then I'm gonna deal with it. Okay, as soon as I got in the car, no lights. So hopefully we have some faults or something. Or like, hopefully it comes on now. I don't know. But I feel so bad because I literally, whoa, a little rusty on the stick. But I'm taking 4 bays. After I pull this one in, it's my 4th stall because I have my engine still there. That one's on hold because they need help today because we don't have much techs. And then I have the car that's updating, and then I just have my car that needs brakes. I was gonna pull it out, but the lead tech was like, no, just use the next stall, buy it. And I was like, okay, well, that saves me some time. Oh, my head hurts. I feel like I have a brain freeze, but I don't. Brake pads are approved on this car. Currently updating this car and trying to scan this car. Almost there. Okay, so for the Mini Cooper we had this fault stored, and then this one we just recommended a thermostat, and then for the air mask we recommended diagnostic time to perform a smoke test. So now we're just waiting, but finally our brake pads are approved, so we're gonna do that now. And then this one's update is almost done. Doing the brake pads now. This one is different from the one I did earlier, as you can see here. If you do install pads like these, make sure you pay attention to the arrow, because these are the old ones. The arrow is facing up, arrow is facing up. Finished the brake job. Now I am doing a PDI on a Mini Cooper. This was my last ticket of the day. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.